I think we have success. So I made a mistake last year. You may have noticed this long black hose and that metal foot. And over here there's a kind of an empty little hut. That's where I have my lake intake water pump that I use for watering the lawn, using the sauna, watering the garden, stuff like that, because large quantities of water on the well are not the best thing to do. So the lake has basically a limitless supply for watering the lawn or the garden, stuff like that. And we have very, very cold winters, and the line has to come out of the lake. And at the bottom of the line, there's what's called a foot valve. And the foot valve basically prevents the water from running out of the bottom of the foot here, out of the line, and helps the pump keep its prime. If there's no water in the line, if there's air pockets, the pump will fail and you have to reprime the line. So what I did is I carry that metal end all the way up to the house, way up there, and keep the bottom end down here, and the water drains all the way out of the line. But I extended the line because the lake levels were quite low, and unfortunately the bottom of the line was down here, and when the wave action was quite stormy, it pushed stones up into the line, and I didn't realize that until I reversed the line the other day. So I have to reverse it again. I gotta take the foot valve off with a pipe wrench, run water through to flush the stones out, put the foot valve back on, reverse the line again, fill it up with water, carry it into the lake, and prime the pump. So I'm going to take you guys along for that journey, and it'll all make sense as you see things happen. So stay tuned for that. Now I have to basically jiggle the line from the bottom all the way up just to force out any air bubbles that might be trapped. It's quite the little process. Yeah, a little out of breath. I had to carry that heavy pump down to the lake and get it into place and hook up the wires. That's all done. Now the part that I really dread is carrying that water line into the lake. I'll get changed and get right on that. Refreshing. Next step is to get changed. I had to grab an X-Acto knife and either 8 or 10 millimeter socket for the hose clamps, cut off the old hose pieces on the pump and attach new, and then play the priming game, see what happens, see if I can keep my 1 prime record going. Sorry you missed the part where I forced the hose back on full of water, but I'm new at this filming my day sort of thing, so you have to forgive me. But I topped up the pipe because a little bit of water was jostled out, dragging it into the lake. This is a temporary pipe just to test get the prime going, and then I put the real hose on for supplying the system, the various spigots and whatnot towards the house, the sauna. One design flaw with this Gould pump is that's the tiniest little priming thing I've ever seen in my entire life. It's so small it can't bleed the air out as the water goes in. To be full. Now it'll be on camera if I get it on the first prime. I guess it won't be on camera. Need a short piece because I don't want any cheating. I think we have success. A little bit of air in the intake line. Can it pull through? Oh yeah, baby. The air pocket. Come on, pull through, pull through. There we go. So the pump is on and running. I got to check the different outlets, make sure that water is getting to them, and turn them off. First one I'm checking out is the sauna, because I do plan to have a sauna tonight. I can hear hissing. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's running. Turn that one on. Now with all the valves turned off, we've got to make sure the pump hits prime, or hits pressure rather, and stays at that pressure, that there's no leaks anywhere, because I can't promise that all the water drains out of my lines, and if there's a frost or a freeze popping the line, water could be gushing out. And parts of my line are buried. Let's see here. We're holding at 52 psi. Yeah. Okay. Break some of the tools away.